Hi cherries, how are you? Fashion week is starting soon, so in this video I'll be showing you how I get ready for a casting, including my makeup, my hair, and my outfit. So first I'm gonna start by wetting my hair, which is obviously curly, and I'm not trying to ruin it, so I don't really want to straighten my hair for the castings. So I'm just gonna do a simple slick back, which is actually the same hairstyle or similar to what I have on my comp cards, and that's kind of what I advise you to do. Keep a similar hair as you have on your comp card. If it's what your agency advised for you to have on the picture, then it's probably what the clients will prefer. But actually during fashion week, nothing is really too strict for the casting, so don't worry too much about it. Hair is like the least of our issues. Just me, I like to not have it in my face. I like it to stay in place for the whole day. If it's raining, it doesn't really matter. If it's sunny, it doesn't get too hot. A slick back bun is honestly what I go to, and they can try on clothes. They can see my features nicely. So yeah, it's pretty good. Then I'm gonna do my skincare. So this is actually a pretty important part. I don't have a lot of products in my skincare right now because I think that's when my skin looks the best. But yeah, for castings, having a good skin is really important. Even though, as I said before, it's fashion week, so like it's not for pictures. Your skin is not going to be too visible on the runway. It doesn't matter too much, but showing that you have good skin to the casting directors can book you jobs for other domains, like maybe campaigns or beauty. So just make sure you're at your best all the time when you're seeing the casting directors. Now let's do makeup. Actually, yeah, I do put on makeup during fashion week. I know maybe that's surprising to a lot of people, but as I said before, it's fashion week. Like, they never request for us to go without makeup specifically, so I don't really care. I'm trying to look my best. And sometimes the castings can go on for the entire day. You have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 castings in one day. And at the end of the day, you're gonna look pretty awful. Like, let's be honest. And so yeah, I just like to do my makeup so I look bright and awake and good throughout the whole day. But it's still very, very light. It's a little bit of concealer. It's, as you can see, the Benefit brow gel, tinted brow gel. It's a little bit of contour on my eyes. It's a tiny bit of blush. It's just everything to make me look a little better. Let me tell you this, I have never in my, I think, how many seasons have I done? I've done 6 different seasons of Fashion Week. I've done menswear, I've done couture twice, I've done women's wear twice, and I'm about to go on my 3rd season of menswear. Yeah, that's crazy. I've only been modeling for a year, actually. And in all of these seasons, 6 seasons, I have never ever been told once by a casting director, why are you wearing makeup? Like, this has never happened. So yeah, I advise you, if you're going to a regular casting, and especially if your agency says no makeup, then do not wear makeup. But if it's fashion week, go ahead, nobody cares. And I think that pretty much everybody is wearing makeup. So yeah, how do you think my makeup looks? I think it's actually a really good look for every day. And now we're gonna move on to the outfit. For the outfit, here's my advice. I like to have something that is in my style. Like this top that I'm wearing right here, the diesel top. I've had so many casting directors comment on it, and I think it's good to have a style that can be remembered by the casting directors and the clients, because they're gonna be like, oh yeah, I remember this girl. She had good style and she had good conversation, you know? So yeah, I think it's always better to wear something that is you rather than just wearing a black tank top and black jeans. Like, that's not how I like to go to my castings. And I like to feel good, and I felt good in that outfit. But yeah, this was how I get ready for casting during Fashion Week, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.